Yo, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to do a quick video showing you how to remove the background of any photo. So I'm going to be using PICSART. Super easy, super cool app. It's free to download in the App Store for Samsung or iPhone users. So let's get into it.
Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to use PICSART to remove the background of any photo. So down here at the bottom is my PICSART app. It's right above the settings at the bottom. Open up PICSART, which is free in the App Store, by the way. You don't actually have to start an account. You can just push skip and you can just exit out. You don't need to do like a free 3-day trial or anything. It lets you run this as long as you want. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and start. I'm going to just use a picture of this cat here that I have, and along the bottom next to tools, effects, stickers, there's the cutout icon. So you're going to choose cutout, and there's two different options when you want to cut out an object from a background. The first is lasso option, which allows you to kind of take your finger and you can trace around the object yourself, which works pretty good. Let's see how well that turned out there. Yeah, that actually worked really well. But the other option for cutting out that I like is the option right next to the lasso. You push that button and PICSART does it for you, and it usually does a pretty good job. And you can just go ahead and save. That looks really good, actually. Super quick too. And then just save that straight to your phone. And then from there you can take that photo and you can play around with it, do whatever you want. You can actually come down here in the same app, add photo, and you can put your cutout right into a different photo there. So like some super quick Photoshop stuff there. But yeah, kind of fun. I think that PICSART's probably the quickest, easiest app for mobile devices that you can use to like cut out photos. So that's all I got for you today, guys.